We need to rise now. We need to take over power and change the system. The only way you can do that is to make sure that in your VT, there is a VT coordinator who registers the voters, because you cannot win election without your own voters. Shabam fighters all over South Africa. Ki EFF fela. Ye campaign for registration. The rest they don't. Why? Because they've been winning ka voters roll yela ya khale. So why would you change the voters roll that made you win elections? So abai batli ntoya registration. Babata the old voters roll. We must put new people in the old voters roll. Harisa to voter ka voters roll ya ANC. Harisa voter ka voters roll ya DA. Voter ka voters roll ya EFF. We need to register people to vote. Ha letsa mamo lenkamo letsa na mo taxi le walk letsa. You must check one another. Oremun, yeah, here's my ID number. Punch it and check if I'm registered. And a luanam pay how. Kebonor or registered na. Has registered. Umuchor umpimpiwe na. We're in this trouble because of you. Overekalama Wuru, Overekalama ANC, Overekali the apartheid collaborators who want to see us back to apartheid. We don't want that. How ka kopana le motho fela apere skipa sa EFF? Matamela or skipa ke a se bona ke ne ke re ID. Re bona or skipa seo se apering o se aparetseng. Ha ona ntho a mahala. Register o kre skipa. Register o kene taxi o kene passing. Ha ona ntho a mahala. A ro kope tšhelete. Ro kopa or be responsible. Then you can associate with us. We do not associate with irresponsible people. We do not associate with people who see what's happening in this country and they don't take responsibility to correct the wrongs that are happening in this country. It is your duty as leaders of sub-region, leaders of branches, volunteers of the EFF to engage in mass registration. Every high school must have a coordinator. Every TVET must have a coordinator. Every university must have a coordinator. Every mine must have a coordinator. Every factory must have a coordinator. Everywhere where many people are found, there must be someone there who's deployed to do the work of the EFF. The talk is no longer relevant now. Now the cross must talk for us. We've been speaking in Parliament. We've been fighting in Parliament. But Parliament is not enough. We need government. There is a difference between government and Parliament. So we need government to change the living conditions of all of you. You know the other fight that we are fighting now, it's a fight where professional bodies, once you graduate and you get admitted as an attorney, the professional bodies want you to pay annual fee. But you graduated, you are an attorney, you are unemployed. Where are you going to get that professional fee? We don't want unemployed people to pay professional bodies professional fee. Unless those professional bodies develop a database of unemployed professionals, they must go look for jobs for them and then demand professional fee from them because you have given them jobs. So you can't say unemployed person must pay a professional fee. Where are they getting this money? They got a certificate, but they are not working. And you're saying to them, pay us. Pay you with what? And you know, even reactionaries who are supporting that unemployed people must pay these professional bodies, professional fees, are now saying we agree with the EFF. We must not pay professional fees. EFF, ke ngondo. Mo EFF wa sebetswa. Mo EFF wananwa mo. Today, how kebe iskaba ka EFF? No tlo rawi ya ko shopo. Wa ra reka wa kra ko receipting ya hao ba re VAT 17%. Right, stop arena. Give 15% till today and against the ANC. Where we govern, not a single MMC of the EFF was ever accused of corruption. No single MMC of the EFF was ever arrested. Today, they are desperately looking for us at Madlanga Commission. They try all types of things. Hey, you will never find us. We are not at Madlanga Commission. We are at Marikana. Catch us if you can. You cannot find us where there is corruption. That Chuckleson is desperately looking for EFF, and for sure, even in the computers, when they take the SMSs and WhatsApps of people, they type EFF so that it can come up. That's why EFF came up in one SMS, but they spoke about it for more than 10 days. Go and ask how much was that 10 days where you were desperately wanting to put the EFF in corruption that is non-existent. We fight corruption everywhere. We fight for the unemployed. We fight for the insourcing. We have put a bill in Parliament where we said everybody must be insourced who works in government. Cleaner, security guards, whatever. As long as you are in those buildings of government, working for a private company, we are saying to government, terminate that contract of that company, hire those people directly because they've got a skill and they must have the benefits. We have insourced the security guards. They were earning 7,500. Today, they earn more than 11,000 with medical aid, with pension fund. A lot of our parents here in Northwest used to go and work in Joburg for years and years as security guards. When they come back, they have nothing to show. And no, una yake basadi ko Johannesburg. Hana sa yike basadi. Na jake makhuwa ba mujamatso. Ba jamatso abontata ba rona ha ba bua ba tshentshana ka ena so. Ba re ha isa le company ela, it's a new company. Ha isa le company Hanta tau art fetcha ya pension. Hana pension fund. And then they make your father to look like he's a fool. Your father is not a fool. He's an exploited worker. And the EFF is going to stop that exploitation through the insourcing bill. And let me tell you, superior logic. Ramaphosa le mutlwile ko parlamenting. I asked him, do you agree with insourcing? I agree fully. Fully. So ura repeal yo passa unopposed. Marababa maburu ba ilo opposer because ke bona ba benefita. But ourselves with ANC, MK and other small parties come together to pass insourcing bill. We will defeat the DA. We will defeat capitalism. We will restore dignity on the shoulders of the working class. Fighters, we must make sure that everywhere we go, we represent very well the working class. If you are a councillor, you keep quiet in a municipality during council, you are part of the problem. How do you keep quiet? There is no black area here without a problem. Now problems have even gone to white people's areas. When you are a councillor, you go into a council and you keep quiet. Where do you live? Where do you live? Because we sent you there. to go and represent us. But don't worry, fighters. That is going to change. From today, nominations of councillors are open in the EFF. Each branch must nominate their own councillor of your choice. No leader is going to dictate to you who's going to be a candidate in your ward. Any leader who does that, report that leader to SG. The process starts today. It's going to end at the end of the month. We are preparing for war. Please don't accept to be a councillor, even if you know you won't win. When hore ha re ka mola voting station e le wena le mosadi le bana ba hao ba ithu la kena ka mola ha re khutla re di result o krea 3-1 wa re ban ropile why vote ya ka ile 1 e re ko wena why o re ba o ropile o re ke kene le mosadi le bana ba ithu at least I be 4 khane 3 yela ke yona e tsebang gore you can't be a leader. A ke re phela le wena full time you itse pila itse pila gore o na le bana le ka mo ntlabila o patele maintenance kruku kwena o dire o etsang gore re be le dinyao pisti mo a dina bontata bona. You must pay maintenance. That is being responsible. We don't want people who are irresponsible. Pay maintenance. And never argue with a woman when she says, my guy, I'm pregnant. The day you don't use condom, you must know the high possibility is yours. Once you say, condom, I'm pregnant. Molatuku hao papa. Otoma opatela from that day. How's a ratim mai? Mo blog mai. Mara o tsebe di bank account tša mae o mo romele tšhelete o ngwale reference mola o re tsotsi ke wena mara ngwana o a ja ka nako eo bana ba ba rapang mo bana ba ba utswang mo bana ba ba jang dinyaope mo most of them don't have their fathers. Or we always blame government. Sometimes we ought to take responsibility. Let us make sure that we become responsible men by not beating up our women, by not abusing our women, by not beating up children. Talk to them. You'll see how mature children can become if they are spoken to properly. Lenali quick to abuse our children. We were abused. That's why we've got too much anger. Don't pass that anger to our children. We were abused by the system. The system abused our parents. Our parents came to take out their anger on us. Don't do it to your children, so that your children become better people in the future and we produce a better society. So fighters, Artamamo, this is not the end. This is the beginning. We are going to work now. And we were lucky that just before we came here, Ramaphosa announced the date. Babu Wabadimu Americana. Just before the American, Kama Ramaphosa anja date. Luena know how seveta. You know the target. Hooray, I'm running after time now. I don't have time. I need to make sure that we win our what? We want our votes that were lost here in Bushanala. Go and fetch those votes back into the EFF by choosing correct candidates. The candidates tau sebeletsa batho, the candidates tau respect batho, the candidates they respect ke community. You can be good in the EFF because you are a factionalist, but you might not be good outside with the community. We don't want good people in the EFF. We want good people in the community. Now is the time to choose what community members will say. This time the EFF gave us the best. Sometimes we don't lose because people don't love the EFF. We lose because we chose a wrong candidate. So let this be an opportunity for Northwest and South Africa, EFF. Let's go and choose the best of the best. Nominations are open. You can raise the flag and say, hands off Juju, hands off that is not going to help us. The only way Juju is going to be saved is through taking over power and changing the system that is operated against us. Let's make sure that we go out in our numbers. Let Rustenburg be the first liberated zone where the EFF wins outrightly. Bujanala wins outrightly. Northwest, we win outrightly. Let freedom start here. Let 1976 start here. Let the 1st of May start here. Let the 16th of August start here. Let this place be a liberated zone. You are going to show the whole of South Africa the same way you did Bujanala, that you are ready to govern and no one is going to stop you. Only your laziness is going to stop you. You must say, I'm going to stop being lazy. I'm now hitting the ground. I'm going door to door, factory by factory, school by school, mind by mind, church by church, because this is a liberated zone. Amanda!